Hi everyone, in today's video I'd like to show you how to change your mobile number in Snapchat for iPhone and Android. For this just go to your Snapchat app, then click on your profile icon. After that go to settings. Now click on your mobile number, give your new mobile number here. If you want your friends to find you by your mobile number, then click on this box here. Now click on verify. They will ask you how you want to get your code via SMS or by call. For that they will send you a code. Now give your code here and your job will be done. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.